In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy data from view-only Google Sheets. We all know how frustrating it can be when you need data from a Google Sheet, but it's set to view-only mode. Thankfully, there are a couple of ways to work around this. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you through a straightforward method to achieve what you need. First, go ahead and open the view-only Google Sheet that you're interested in. Once the sheet is open in your browser, direct your attention to the URL in the address bar. You'll notice that the URL structure typically includes edit at the end. What we're going to do next involves a bit of URL editing. Carefully find the part of the URL where it says edit and proceed to delete it. Yes, you're going to remove everything from that point forward. Make sure you're only removing what's necessary so as not to disturb any other part of the URL. Once you've taken that step, it's time to replace what you just removed. In that same spot, type in preview instead, and then press the Enter key on your keyboard. What this does is open the sheet in a preview mode. In this mode, you will often have the ability to select the data you wish to copy. However, keep in mind that this approach may not always work depending on how the sheet settings are configured, but it's certainly worth a try. Now, while that's a nifty trick to know, there's actually a more straightforward method that doesn't involve URL shenanigans. This method is simply to contact the owner of the Google Sheet. If you know who the owner is or can find out, consider reaching out to them directly. You can request either edit access or a separate copy of the sheet. By doing this, you bypass the need for any workarounds altogether. Getting in touch with the owner is really the most reliable approach. Once you have the necessary permissions or a new copy, copying and editing the data becomes seamless, and you won't have to worry about restricted access anymore. I hope these steps make it a bit easier for you to manage any view-only sheet situations you encounter. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like these, and feel free to ask any questions you might have in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.